Thank you, Vashundhara. And I hope that today's beginning with all the nation, not only the Indo-South Korea, but maybe the other participants across the country will be the participating in this project for the betterment of society. So as you said that this network we have to expand in the coming days. So the major aim is to establish a self-sustainable ecosystems to meet the India and Korean objectives. There are a couple of objectives which we have set up during the project proposal, and I'm very happy that all the Indian partners and Korean partners are working in the same line. And since the beginning, so we have had one quick meeting few months before where we have set the goals, the timelines, how we have to deliver all those four objectives. The first is the human resource development in this particular area, human resource development. Then the second one is international collaborations through these points. That is very, very important for any nation, a bilateral cooperation. The third one is we have to jointly develop, even though the mandate is not really that, but we have really set a very high goals, that is product and prototyping development through the development of workable and field tested prototype product. And we have to publish a patent and publication from each institution. So we have really set up a very high end goal jointly. And then the additional thing which we have thought of that, let us develop the startup ecosystem in ECPS, which is the need of the country, both I should say. So, so these were the four objectives. And then I'm very happy that the partners from India is just because there are multiple partners, so it would always help to share this information that from IIT Indore, from India, I should say, I myself and Dr. Ajay is there with us today. He is the co-PI. From Korea side, we are happy to have three university, Incheon National University led by Professor Jin and then Professor Shong. And then we have two more professors from Korea. And there we are happy to have node partner from India. From IIT Roorkee, Professor Sachin is there, and Professor Sanjeev from BHU, Professor Piyush from IIT Kharagpur, and the node team from Korea, Professor Kim, very experienced person from Korea University, and then Professor Wong from Sungkum University. This is the Women University, and then from Dr. Na from Incheon National University. So there are 5 people from Korea, and we are happy to have them on the board. And then this will be the structure of having the focal point. So the focal point is IIT Indore, and along with IIT Indore, there are associate partners, namely NELIT Calicut, which is one of the body of the Ministry of Electronics and IT. And then one of the CSIR lab called CG Pilani, and IIT Kanpur, sorry, IIT Kanchipuram, IIT Jammu, IET DABB. So from IET DABB, Dr. Vaibhav Nima is there partnering with us. IIT Jammu, Dr. What is his name? Can somebody help me? One of my own students, but somehow I forget his name. Anyway,
Dr. Ambika.
Ambika, sorry, extremely sorry. And IIT Kanchipuram, Dr. Bhupendra Raniwal, Siri Pilani, Dr. Jayagopal Pandey, NELIT Calicut, Jairaj. So these are the partners will work with the focal point. Then we have the node 1 called IIT Roorkee, led by Dr. Srivastava, where from IIT Indore and Guwahati University, 2 professors are there who will be partnering and working with this. Right. Similarly, for node 2, IIT BHU, led by IIT BHU, IIT Bhubaneswar, Manikandan, and from IIT Indore, Professor Bimal Bhatia. And then node 3, that is IIT Kharagpur, IIT Indore, and Devi Heller Srividyalaya professors are there, Dr. Manish Goel, and one more, Dr. Satya Prakash. So this is the Indian counterpart, and the main objective is to have more partners So we have to expand this network. So those who are there in today's meeting, I would love to have them on the board. More partners will have more activities and jointly. And similarly from Korea side, Incheon National University is there, the focal point. Along with these two focal points, there are two universities, Korea University and Sunghwa University. So one professor is there from Sunghwa University and three professors from here and one professor from Korea. So this is our focal node concept. And we would love to have more partners from India and other. That is what we have called joint network. So this is from joint network. So joint network we have to expand, and already from India many partners requested us to join this network and expand their expertise as well as the knowledge, and we would like to love their knowledge to expand this network. So as of now, we have done two meetings. I mean, yes, the kickoff meeting was there on May, where all the partners from India and Korea, we had a nice discussion where we have make the plan, further plans in the coming years, when and how we have to act upon. This is the things, and with those things, I would like to welcome our chief guest, who is also one of the renowned name in India. Detailed information Vasundhara will tell about him, but what I can say in one line, that he's really one of the inspiring to many of the Indian as well as the foreign professors and research community. The work he has done is really commendable. India processor, and many things he is leading. So, sir, we are really honored to have you here, and I believe that with your presence, many activity will be in the streamline soon. And nonetheless, that all my partners from India and Korea, we are really thankful for your kind presence, and nonetheless, that all our participants. So just to share all of you that as of now, 467 or something participants has been registered. Out of them, I think more than 26 participants are from Korea, and all those participants are from 55 institutions in the country. So I should say there are 2 institutes from Korea where faculty and students has participated, and 53 institutions are there where their participants are participating. So the total number where the number of participants are going to attend in next 5 days are 467 or more than that. So this is the number, and the beginning is really great, and I wish that this network will be in the coming days, not only with limited partners, whatever we have officially, but already I have received several requests from the various academic and research organizations. They wanted to be on the board, and jointly we will make this journey very fruitful. So with this note, once again, I would like to thanks to everyone. Now over to you, Vasundhara.